And the first thing I want you to do, and whilst it sounds a bit odd, and I apologise to my colleagues who may have done it before, is I want you just to simply draw a watering can. Okay? That's the task, just draw a watering can. As odd as it may seem, draw a watering can. You won't be asked to stand up and present your watering can, and no one else will see it, and there's no copy in James, so... Who are the guys who've drawn flowers? So you guys have drawn flowers here. If I look at the skills of artwork, you've got a beautiful hand here. There's a kettle which covers up as a watering can. It's a fantastic one here. Now we've got some fairly standard watering cans. There's an excellent one here. Water's coming out, and again it's not tipped. Quite a big one here. If you look at Oscar's, okay, that's a self-tipping one. This spout's already tipped. Okay, and that's not quite sure. Anyway, it is a watering can.
But effectively, involved in the development of the coaches who work for Premier Sport, which is the biggest commercial company, putting coaches into school. So it's a perspective which comes from the commercial side, the bad side, if you like, the dark side, and the education side. But I'll leave him to tell you what to know.
So what do you get in primary schools? This is why I was challenging it before. What's the most difficult age group? Is what have you got at that age that's really challenging as a coach? What do you have in a group? Whether it's a club or class. You've got so many mixed abilities. Okay, you've got the child who's inactive, physically inactive, potentially obese.
My passion has been how can we use sport as, an intervention in trying to address social problems. How can we situate sport as part of it? How can we move sports from being indifferent? Is it possible? And the best people to answer that question are the coaches.